Ever dreamt of walking into your favorite store, browsing the aisles, and then whipping out your phone to seamlessly buy that perfect item you just found? Imagine the convenience, no waiting in line. A shopping experience that feels as smooth as your favorite online platform. This, my friends, is the magic of unified commerce, and Shopify POS is at the heart of making it happen. But what about the people behind the scenes? The ones who take your online vision and translate it into a brick-and-mortar reality? That's where Shopify POS Retail Partnerships come in. They're the secret ingredient that bridges the gap between your online store and your dream retail experience. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, I just have a small business. Do I really need a partner for my Shopify POS? The answer, my friend, is a resounding maybe. Let's dive deeper and see if a Shopify POS retail partnership is the perfect fit for you. From humble beginnings to retail rockstar, maybe you're a one-person show running your online store out of your living room. Shopify POS offers a fantastic, user-friendly iPad app that lets you make in-store sales with ease. It's perfect for those weekend pop-up shops or the occasional craft fair. But what if you dream of bigger things? A brick-and-mortar location with dedicated staff and a bustling atmosphere? This is where Shopify POS retail partners become your secret weapon. They're a network of experts who can help you with everything from setting up your physical store to integrating your online and offline operations seamlessly. Think of them as retail gurus who've seen it all and can help you avoid the costly mistakes that can plague new businesses. The power of partnerships. Let's face it, there's a lot that goes into running a successful retail store. Inventory management, staff training, marketing strategies. It can all feel overwhelming. Shopify POS retail partners specialize in different areas, allowing you to find the perfect match for your specific needs. Here are just a few examples of the magic these partnerships can bring. Complete store migration. Imagine a world where all your online and in-store data lives in one place. No more juggling spreadsheets or struggling to keep track of inventory across different platforms. Shopify POS retail partners can handle the entire migration process, ensuring a smooth transition and saving you valuable time. Design and branding beyond the web. Your online store might be a visual masterpiece, but how do you translate that magic to your physical space? Shopify POS retail partners can help you design a cohesive brand experience that extends from your website to your storefront. Think eye-catching signage, engaging product displays, and a layout that keeps customers coming back for more. Omnichannel business strategy. In today's retail world, it's not enough to just have an online presence or a physical store. You need a strategy that seamlessly blends both. Shopify POS retail partners can show you how to leverage the power of omnichannel tools, allowing customers to browse online, buy in-store, or pick up curbside all with a few clicks. Building your retail dream team. Finding the right Shopify POS retail partner is like finding the perfect business partner. Look for someone who understands your vision, shares your passion, and has the expertise to help you navigate the ever-evolving retail landscape. Here are some tips for finding the perfect match. Shop around. Don't settle for the first partner you come across. Take your time, interview different companies, and see who you connect with the most. Be clear about your needs. The more specific you are about your goals and challenges, the easier it will be to find a partner who can truly help you. Look for experience. While a new and enthusiastic partner can be great, there's something to be said for experience. Look for a partner who has a proven track record of success in helping businesses like yours. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Shopify POS retail partnerships can be a game changer for your business. They offer the expertise, guidance, and support you need to turn your online store into a thriving retail reality. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and create a truly unified commerce experience, consider partnering with a Shopify POS expert. Remember, your dream retail experience is just around the corner, and the right partner can help you get there faster than you ever imagined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.